Welcome back, financial adventurers, to our channel. Today, we're diving into a thrilling topic that has the potential to change your life: investments that can pave the way to liberate you from the 9-to-5 job. If you've been dreaming of financial freedom, sit back, relax, and get ready for a detailed exploration of exciting investment opportunities that could set you on the path to independence and beyond. Number 1. Understanding the desire for financial freedom. Before we delve into the investments, let's understand why the allure of financial freedom is so powerful. While the stability of a 9-to-5 job offers security, it often comes at the cost of limited growth, time constraints, and unfulfilled aspirations. Financial freedom represents the longing for control over one's destiny, the ability to pursue passions without monetary constraints, and the flexibility to spend quality time with loved ones. Breaking free from the confines of financial burdens empowers individuals to explore their true potential, take calculated risks, and invest in opportunities that align with their dreams. By comprehending the yearning for financial independence, we embark on a path to redefining success and happiness, ultimately reshaping our lives for the better. Number 2, the foundation: managing debt and building emergency fund. Building a solid foundation is essential on your journey to financial freedom. Start by managing your debt responsibly. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts, such as credit cards, to avoid unnecessary financial burdens. Create a budget to track your expenses and find opportunities to save money. Simultaneously, focus on building an emergency fund. Having 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses set aside in a readily accessible account provides a safety net during unexpected situations, such as medical emergencies or job loss. An emergency fund offers peace of mind and prevents you from resorting to high-interest debt in times of crisis. By addressing debt and establishing an emergency fund, you lay the groundwork for a more secure financial future. Number 3. Diversify and conquer stock market investments. Diversifying your investment portfolio through stock market investments is a key strategy to conquer your financial goals. The stock market offers a plethora of investment options, from stable dividend-paying companies to high-growth potential stocks and index funds. By spreading your investments across different sectors and companies, you can reduce risk and enhance potential returns. Long-term investments in established companies provide steady income streams, while growth stocks offer the chance for significant capital appreciation. Index funds allow you to passively track the overall market performance, providing broad exposure to various assets. However, prudent research and analysis are crucial when delving into the stock market. Number 4. Real estate ventures, rental properties. Real estate ventures, particularly rental properties, offer a tried-and-true path towards financial freedom. Owning rental properties can provide a steady income stream, allowing you to build wealth over time. Researching local property markets and analyzing potential returns are crucial steps in this endeavor. Location plays a significant role, as properties in high-demand areas tend to generate better rental yields. Moreover, considering factors like vacancy rates and property management are essential for long-term success. Investing in rental properties also comes with various tax benefits, such as deductions for mortgage interest, property taxes, and maintenance expenses. Additionally, as property values appreciate over time, your equity in the investment grows, further contributing to your financial well-being. However, being a landlord requires responsibility and dedication. Maintaining properties, managing tenants, and handling legal and financial aspects demand careful attention. Number 5. The digital age, e-commerce, and online businesses. In the digital age, e-commerce and online businesses present unparalleled opportunities for those seeking financial freedom. Starting an e-commerce venture or an online business allows you to tap into a global market and reach customers far beyond geographical boundaries. The internet offers a level playing field, enabling entrepreneurs to compete with established brands. Whether it's selling products through your own e-commerce store, drop shipping, or offering digital products and services, the digital landscape offers flexibility and scalability. However, success in the online world requires dedication, creativity, and adaptability. Utilize social media, SEO, and digital marketing strategies to boost visibility and attract customers. Number 6. Embracing innovation, cryptocurrency, and blockchain. Embracing innovation through cryptocurrency and blockchain opens up exciting possibilities for potential financial freedom. While the market can be volatile, investing in established cryptocurrencies and promising blockchain projects can yield significant returns. The decentralized nature of blockchain technology brings transparency, security, and efficiency to various industries. However, it's essential to approach cryptocurrency investment with caution, conducting thorough research and only investing what you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrencies offer diversification outside of traditional assets, and their growing adoption indicates their relevance in the future financial landscape. Moreover, blockchain technology's disruptive potential extends beyond cryptocurrencies, impacting supply chains, healthcare, and more. Number 7, the power of compounding retirement accounts. The power of compounding in retirement accounts is a game changer on the path to financial freedom. By consistently contributing to accounts like 401k, S, and IRAs, your money grows exponentially over time. The magic lies in reinvesting the earnings, allowing your investments to generate returns upon returns. Starting early is crucial, as compounding gains momentum with time. Even modest contributions can lead to significant wealth accumulation over the years. Additionally, retirement accounts often come with tax advantages, further boosting your savings. So, harness the power of compounding by taking advantage of these accounts and secure your financial future. Your dedication to regular contributions and patience will reap incredible rewards, providing you with the financial security and independence you've always desired. Number 8, investing in yourself, education, and skills. Sometimes, the best investment is in yourself. Continuous learning opens doors to higher-paying job opportunities and can even empower you to start your own successful business. Whether it's attending workshops, pursuing online courses, or seeking mentorship, every step towards self-improvement enhances your earning potential. Remember, investing in yourself is a lifelong journey, and the knowledge and skills you gain become invaluable assets that no one can take away from you. So take the leap, embrace personal development, and watch as your newfound expertise paves the way to a brighter and more prosperous future. Number 9, angel investing and venture capital. For those with a penchant for risk and a keen eye for innovation, angel investing and venture capital could be the path to financial freedom. As an angel investor, you fund early-stage startups, providing capital and mentorship in exchange for equity. Venture capital operates similarly, but typically involves larger investments in more mature startups. Both options can yield substantial returns if you choose promising ventures wisely. However, these investments come with inherent risks, as not all startups succeed. Due diligence and a deep understanding of the market and technology are crucial. If successful, though, your involvement in disruptive innovations can lead to significant financial gains, propelling you towards the sought-after realm of financial independence. Congratulations! You've just completed an exciting journey into the world of investments that can help you break free from the 9-to-5 grind. Remember, achieving financial freedom requires discipline, research, and a willingness to adapt to changing markets. Always diversify your investments to mitigate risk, and never forget to invest in yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to never miss another exciting video. As always, stay curious, stay ambitious, and may your journey to financial freedom be an exhilarating one. Until next time, happy investing!